What's up guys, welcome back to our channel Creative Technology, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks in the tech world. Today, we have an exciting tutorial on how to install the latest version of Windows 11 on old, unsupported hardware. That's right, you don't need to throw away your old PC just yet. We'll walk you through 3 methods, using the appraiser.dll trick, changing the Install.ESD file, and tweaking the registry with Regedit. Let's dive right in. Before moving on the tricks, firstly I want to show you my system specification. Don't be surprised of my PC specs. I know still some people have old PC, like me. I am sure you also have this type of specs in your PC, so comment me your PC specs. So I also came to know about is only I am outdated or there are also my friends. So now without time pass, let's start the video. First up is the CMD trick. This method involves bypassing the system requirements check. Here's how you do it. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Make sure you choose the correct edition and language. Don't worry, I will install the Windows 11 in that PC. I only download files and show you step in this PC for better quality, an easy way to understand. Now begin the video. Once the download is complete, mount the ISO file. To do this, right-click on the downloaded ISO file and select Mount. This will create a virtual drive with the installation files. And now here trick start. Now simply press Window key, plus R to open Run. Type CMD in it. Go to that virtual drive. And then type CD sources. Now simply type this command, or copy-paste from description box. Once you press enter, it will run your Windows 11 setup. But don't be confused here because it will show to install Windows Server, but in actual you are installing Windows 11. That's a smart trick. Thanks me later for this. And just like that, you've bypassed the system requirements check this CMD trick. This method allows you to install Windows 11 on older hardware that might not meet the official specifications. It's like convincing a bouncer to let you into a club with your high school id. Secondly, we'll use the Registry editor, or Regedit, to make some tweaks. In this method you will need a bootable USB, and involves making of a reg file to bypass the requirement of Windows 11. Follow these steps. Firstly, open the notepad and copy-paste this command from the description box, so do not be worried about it. I know you all are very lazy, also include me. Go to File and click on Save As and rename as bypass.reg. Make sure to save this file in your bootable USB. And now restart your PC, and go to Boot menu. Select Boot from USB. Once you select Windows 11 version and click Next, it will show you error. So come back to Windows version page, and press Shift plus F10 key. I will open your CMD, and now type Regedit. It will open your Regedit, and now go to File, Import and select that bypass.reg file. And now close the Regedit. Type Exit in your CMD. And now again if you select the Windows version and click Next, now it will not show you any kind of error. By modifying the registry, we're essentially telling Windows to ignore the TPM and CPU requirements, allowing us to proceed with the installation. It's like telling your PC, forget about the rules, let's have some fun. Next, we have the method of changing the Install.ESD file. This one is the ultimate method but bit more technical, effective and consume more internet. But if you're a person like me, who have interest to collect ISO files, then it will be much easier for you. Here's what you need to do. Download both Windows 10 and Windows 11 ISO files from the official Microsoft website. Make sure you download the same edition and language for both. And now there's 2 cases. If you have pen drive, simply attach your pen drive with your PC, and then paste all the files. In my case I will go with it. And second case is to make new partition of about 10 gigabytes. Go to Desktop. Right-click on this PC. Choose the option Manage. Go to Disk Management. Now choose the disk which you want to make further partition. And now right-click on it, and choose Shrink Volume. Once you make partition, so after download, mount your Windows 10 ISO file and copy-paste all the files in your USB or partition. And after that mount Windows 11 ISO file and go to Source folder, and copy file Install.ESD or Install.WIM. And paste the copy file to Windows 10 source folder. It will show you to replace the file, so simply click on Replace File. Once your file completely replace, then simply run setup.exe file. Do not be confused here, it will show you to install Windows 10, but actually you are installing Windows 11. We completely make fool to Windows here. I am so genius, and now you are also. We all make here Windows fool. And now simply install Windows like butter. By swapping the Install.ESD file, we can trick the installer into thinking it's dealing with Windows 10, bypassing compatibility checks. It's like fooling your dog into thinking the medicine is a treat. And there you have it. 3 different ways to install Windows 11 on old and supported hardware. Remember, these methods are unofficial and may come with some risks, so proceed with caution. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Creative Technology for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.